Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make another Facebook account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, go ahead, open up your Facebook app on your mobile phone. And now you can see we are already logged in with our current account, right? Let's say if we would like to make another one, all we have to do is tap on this menu icon in the bottom right and scroll to the bottom and tap on logout. Now we will simply log out of this account of ours. Now we have this interface, right? You can see we have this option of create new account in the bottom. Tap on it. Now we have to tap on this get started and have to enter our first name. So let's say we have this and last name, and we go next. Now we will simply enter our date, and now we go to this next option again. Go ahead, choose your gender, next. Enter the mobile number that you would like to add, or also you can choose this option of sign up with email, so you can enter your email instead. Let's see, have you entered your email? Now tap on next. So you can see, do you already have an account? If you do, you can simply tap on help me log in. So since you can see my email address is also already associated with another account, if you don't want to, you can simply tap on this continue creating account. Now you have to create a password for yourself. Once you're done, you can choose to simply save the login info or tap on this option of not now. Agree for the terms and condition. No, create new account. So if you haven't created, you can simply go ahead, choose the yes create account option, and you will be able to simply create yourself an account. And here in the section you can also go to set up with your mobile number instead. If you're simply facing complications on your email, if you have already created an account, simply enter the number that you haven't, and then you will be able to receive verification provided, and you're good to go. You will be able to create yourself another Facebook account just likewise from over here. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.